Hey James, so how are you today?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. Okay, are you ready to learn how to do a diving for your lesson? So you can swim a little bit of freestyle already, which is good, and different strokes, but for your diving you are struggling a little bit, okay? So the idea today is to check how you can dive and to try to improve your diving, okay? Can you show me what is your current diving level? So, okay, show me just and then we see from there. Okay, right, come back buddy, come back. All right, we try again. Show me another time. Okay, try to relax when you go, huh? Remember, the intention is to dive underwater, to go forward, not to fall in the water, huh? So okay, I will be here. Okay, tell me when you're ready. It's when you want, okay? You ready? Okay, you can go. Let's go dive. Show me how you do it. Okay. That was not too bad. Okay, that was not too bad. Come back, Jemso. Actually, that's much better than the first one you showed me, you know? Cool. Okay. So, okay, get out of the pool. Let's talk about the little details, then you can already make a big difference. Come here. All right, so I show you. When you start, first things, your feet need to grab here the wall. All right, so you grab with your feet both, so you have a good grip. You can do with 2 legs or you can do with 1 leg behind if you like. Okay, then your knees here. When you get ready, you do a little squat. You down your knees. Okay, then when you're ready to go, you will extend your legs like you want to jump to the sky. Give me a jump to the sky. Jump straight. Don't jump in the water, just jump to the sky. Jump. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, you extend, but you will not do it in the sky. You will fall, and when you feel you fall, then you extend on the front. Okay, then your head here. Okay, when you start, you have 2 ways of starting. You can start already in the position of diving, which is here. Okay, so you're streamlined, kind of arrow position. You need to fall first. Don't go already in the water. You have to go forward, remember? Okay, you can start like this. Okay, we can try this version. You go forward, stop to go deep. Okay, fall first and push. All right, come back, bud. Come back. Okay, you see the sound, this boom? That means your belly, your thighs and your chest hit the water all in one go. Splash, flat. That's what you don't want. What you want is actually to go slowly from your hands to your head, to your chest, your belly, until your legs, and not in one boom. If not, it's painful and you have not like the correct entry in the water, okay? But definitely the push was better, so come back here. Okay, let's repeat. Your legs ready on the wall, grab the wall, cool. Bend your legs, get ready for the bending. Your hands, you can put it up. Remember, your intention is to go inside like this, not to bam, hit the water flat. So your idea is to put your hands down as soon as you hit the water, straight forward, to glide forward. Are you ready to try? Okay, bend your legs. Bend your legs, bend your legs, bend your legs, bend your legs, fall forward slowly, and push. All right, well, let's try in the water. Come back here. Come back, come back. There is still this kind of big splash. You know what you will do? Okay, let's try to go slightly more deeper on this one. Okay, we will avoid the big impact, which is painful sometimes. Okay, I will be with you. So, okay, go out. Yes, get up. You can climb here. Let's go, James. Hurry, climb. All right, so come here on your position. Okay, what I want you to do now, you will try to don't dive to go forward only, you will go Are you ready? Okay, and let's go. Okay, James, that was not deep. That was very flat. You can hit the water and get this impact, right? I come. Come. Allez, let's get on. Get on. Up here. Let me give you a target. You see the water here? Imagine here there is a target. Your intention is to put your hands here, and then after your head and your legs, everything goes in this little hole here. I draw a little hole here. Okay, yeah, just right there. So don't try to go far away. Try to go deeper. Okay? Yeah, more deeper. So you will avoid the big splash. Okay? All right. Tell me when you're ready, and go deeper when you dive. Keep your chin on your chest, and go. Push. All right. Okay, the entry was not painful this time. Okay, so now look, you need to mix it both. Come here. You need to mix the both. So your entry will be like this. As soon as you hit the water on your hands, stretch your arms forward so you can glide. So basically, you will enter the water with this angle. You hit the water and then you stretch your hands forward to glide forward. Okay? So the entry is here, but after, once you are inside the water, stretch your arms forward. All right, let's go out. We try one more.
One more.
Yeah. All right, that's not too bad, bud. Okay, come closer. Get ready. Remember your target. So grab with your legs ready. Get your legs ready. Bend your legs. Okay. Wait for the losing balance. Keep going forward, and you can lose your balance and you extend when you feel you are falling. Wait to fall. Fall. Jump. You forgot to jump. You need to extend stronger, you know, my friend. If you extend, you will have a jump and then a fall. If you just fall, then you will hit the water very close to the wall. So you have to fall, then when you feel you fall, you jump forward, hop, and then after you dive. Okay? The diving is actually in 3 portions. First portion, get ready on the wall. Second portion, fall from the wall on forward. When you feel you are falling, it's over. Then extend with your legs and with your hands to go forward. And last portion, enter the water correctly to don't splash it and to dive forward after it. Okay? I'll try for the last time, and then that would be good for today already. All right. So you try to jump forward, enter the water deeper, and extend straight forward after your entry. Okay? All right, James, are you ready? All right, when you want.
How deep does it have to go?
Or you can go deep 1.5 meters if you like. Even more. Allez. Okay. The dive was not painful. Your entry was more diagonal. But James, when you are underwater, don't chin up. You need to keep your streamline. If you chin up underwater, you got a lot of resistance and you lose speed. So the idea is to keep your chin on your chest with your hands above your head, even you enter the water, and to glide forward, okay? You cannot open after you dive underwater. You open up at no time. You never open up. You will start to swim actually after you dive. So you dive head below your arms, you hit the water, you keep your head below your arms, you reach the surface, then you start swimming. Okay? Diving is not so hard. It's just, remember, the point of diving is to have a good start. Okay? In order to swim good after the dive. So we practice more next time. Cheers.
Thank you.
हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इसी तरह की वीडियो आपको मिलती रहें। जज़ाकल्लाह।